Interior doors are more than just functional parts of your home. They provide privacy, enhance aesthetics, and even contribute to energy efficiency. Over time, however, they may wear out or become outdated, making it essential to consider replacing them. For homeowners in Kendall, understanding the signs that your interior doors need a replacement can save you money, time, and potential frustration. Here are some key indicators that your interior doors may need an upgrade. Difficulty in opening or closing. One of the most common signs that an interior door needs replacement is difficulty in opening or closing it. This issue can stem from several factors, such as warping, moisture damage, or foundation shifts that impact the door frame. If you find yourself having to apply force to get a door open or closed, it might be time to replace it with a more fitting and functional option. Noticeable damage or wear. Over the years, interior doors can experience significant wear and tear. Scratches, dents, and chips may detract from the overall appeal of your home. More severe damage, such as cracks or holes, compromises not only the appearance but also the structural integrity of the door. While minor damage can sometimes be repaired, extensive wear is a sign that replacement is the best course of action to restore the aesthetics of your space. Excessive noise. Interior doors should open and close quietly. If you hear loud creaking, squeaking, or scraping sounds when you use your door, it could be a sign of misalignment, damaged hinges, or internal deterioration. Lubricating hinges might offer a temporary fix, but persistent noise issues may indicate that a door replacement is necessary to restore peace and quiet to your home. Outdated style. Your home's design reflects your personal taste, and outdated interior doors can clash with the look you're trying to achieve. If you've recently renovated your Kendall home and your interior doors don't match the new style, or if you're simply tired of the same old appearance, a door upgrade can bring a fresh, modern look. Choosing new doors that match your design preferences can instantly elevate your home's overall aesthetic appeal. Poor insulation or drafts. Interior doors should contribute to the energy efficiency of your home by preventing drafts and maintaining comfortable temperatures. If you notice drafts around the edges of a door, or if your HVAC system seems to work harder in certain rooms, your door may be contributing to energy inefficiency. Replacing old, poorly fitting doors with energy-efficient models can enhance comfort while helping lower utility bills. Mold or moisture damage. Kendall's humid climate makes mold and moisture problems more likely, especially in areas like bathrooms, basements, or kitchens. If your interior doors show signs of moisture damage such as swelling, warping, or mold growth, it's essential to replace them. Mold can pose serious health risks, and moisture-damaged doors can weaken over time, compromising their functionality. Excessive gaps between the door and frame. A well-fitted door should sit snugly within its frame. Over time, however, gaps may form due to settling foundations or general wear. These gaps not only reduce privacy but also allow sound, light, and air to pass through, which can be bothersome. If you can see light coming through the edges of a closed door, or if there are noticeable gaps, it's time to consider a replacement to improve the door's fit and functionality. Worn-out hardware. Sometimes, it's not just the door but also the hardware that shows signs of aging. Rusted or difficult-to-turn knobs, hinges that won't stay aligned, and locks that no longer work properly can indicate that the door has reached the end of its lifespan. While you can replace hardware components, consistent issues may suggest it's more practical to invest in a brand new door. Make the upgrade for a better home. Replacing interior doors can enhance the beauty, comfort, and functionality of your Kendall home. By recognizing these common signs, you can make informed decisions about when it's time for a replacement. Whether you're experiencing mechanical issues, dealing with moisture damage, or simply ready for a new style, upgrading your doors is a worthwhile investment that can improve your home's value and livability. Evaluate your interior doors today and consider how new, high-quality doors can transform your space.